Excel in 2024 has introduced some exciting new formulas that make data manipulation and analysis more powerful and flexible. Here are some of the standout features, for instance, text split, text before, text after, image, data screenshot, text join, and filter functions. These new functions enhance Excel's capabilities, making it easier to manage, analyze, and present data efficiently. Stay tuned as we dive into each of these formulas in detail, showing you practical examples and use cases to help you master them in your workflows. First is the split function, allows you to break down text strings into separate columns or rows based on a specified delimiter. This is incredibly useful for parsing data such as CSV files or any text data where elements are separated by a common character. By using this dynamic formula, you will see that Ethan Smith is separated by the first and last name. Moving on to text before, its purpose is to extract the text that appears before a specified delimiter in a given string. In this case, I have extracted 1123 before the hash. Text after is also similar. Its purpose is to extract the text after a specified delimiter in a given string. You can see the phone number is extracted by the comma in front. Next is the image function, allows you to insert images directly into cells from a URL. This can enhance your data presentation by embedding relevant images alongside your data, making your spreadsheets more visually informative. In the formula, I will add equal image bracket quote. Now I will search the Coca-Cola image. Right-click, select Save Image Address. Paste, then quote, then close the bracket. You can only enlarge it by expanding the row and column. Another cool feature is using the image import from your phone or your computer and extract data such as words or numbers. Go to Insert, Image from Picture. Here's an example of the screenshot of the Excel data. Click Open. You can review and edit if you wish. Now click Insert. There you have it. You no longer need to type it out. Third is TOCOLUMN. This function converts a range of data into a single column. This is useful for reshaping your data layout, especially when you need to prepare data for certain types of analysis or visualization. In this example, I am going to move the name of students from 2 RMIT states and merge as one column. Similar to TOCOLUMN, the TOROW function converts a range of data into a single row. This function is handy for transforming your data into a format that fits specific requirements for reports or data processing. Here I use an array of student names positioned into columns of names. Next is text join, is a powerful function that lets you combine multiple text strings into one, with the option to specify a delimiter. This is great for creating concatenated lists or combining data from multiple cells into a single cell. The next example is using text join with the pivot table. Similarly, we will use the text join formula. The delimiter is a comma. True to ignore empty text. True to ignore empty text, the array from the row table. This time we will insert ampersand and quote total revenue. Let's test this out. Great work! Now you can see the product name matches to the total sum of revenue for the selected items. And finally, the filter function extracts data that meets specified criteria. This dynamic filtering allows you to create interactive and responsive data views that update automatically as the underlying data changes. It's a powerful tool for data analysis and creating dashboards. In this example, we will filter out items that Sarah Moss have sold. We will highlight the row-column array, select the fifth column for store clerk, then equal to Sarah Moss. If false, then quote the store clerk not found. There you have it. The filter given us 3 dynamic rows that matches to Sarah Moss. Alternatively, you can use the filter function by creating a list of products using data validation as shown in here. Using the list is easier to select for any specified filtered items. With the introduction of new functions, Excel takes data manipulation and analysis to the next level. These functions offer more flexibility and efficiency in handling text, images, and data organization, making it easier to work with complex datasets. Whether you're parsing text, combining strings, embedding images, or dynamically filtering data, these new tools will enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. Stay tuned for more tutorials and examples to help you master these powerful features in Excel. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to see you soon.